how to block or unblock someone on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. To block or block someone on Gmail is simple, and here's how to do it. The first step is for you to log into your Gmail account, just like I've done here, and then the next thing is for you to open the email from the person you want to block. So by opening the email, move to the top right corner of the email and click on the three vertical dots. Then in the options displayed here, you can see move to snooze, you can see change labels, you can see mute, you can see print, etc. So once you can see all of this, just go ahead and click on report spam. And then by reporting spam, you can see a prompt displayed on the screen. The message was reported as spam. Do you also want to block? So click on yes, block. And then just like that, the particular message would be blocked, and that particular sender would be blocked. And so if you want to unblock the person, just move to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. Then amongst the options displayed, scroll down and select settings. So once you select settings and you're brought to the settings page, the next step is for you to select general settings. And on this page, so check through until you can see filters and blocked addresses tab. All right, now if you cannot find the tab here, that means that the tab is only available for PC, but you can do it on your mobile by heading over to your spam. All right, so let's say that you're in your inbox now. The next step will be for you to go to your spam, since for each sender that you block, the person would be sent to spam automatically. So just go to the top left corner of the screen again, click on the three horizontal lines, then scroll down and click on spam, and then you'll see the message that you've blocked. So go ahead and select the person, the sender, then move to the top right corner again and click on the three vertical dot, and then select report not as spam, and then just like that, the person would not be blocked. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.